Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you and send over this quick educational video to go over some things with you today. I want to be able to help you boost your online presence. So I'm going to give you some quick tips and tricks. And at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So today the things I want to go over with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is made up of anything that you're going to see on your front page here. Any photos that you use, any words that you use, how your photos are saved, and what's behind your photos, that is all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a home page. Within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. So I did input your website into a tool that we use here. It's called Ahrefs. So with this, you're able to see the analytics of your website. So the first thing that you're going to see here is going to be the trust and the strength when it comes to Google. Right now, there's a 92 strength, but that could also be the type of website builder you're using, and there is no strength here. So the trust is there, but the strength is not there. That is on a scale of 100, so the thing you want to do here is keep them as evenly as possible while we get those boosted up. Also, another thing is going to be keywords. There's no keywords here, and that's not bringing in any of that extra traffic. So what we would want to do is we would want to be able to search your competitors, see what types of keywords they're using, so we're able to then utilize those keywords, be able to add them in and help you start ranking for those as well. Now, you do have one backlink from one referring domain. And a backlink is anywhere that you might find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Some of these are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative that will bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison in just a moment. So the next thing is going to be the map pack. This is going to be the most important place to keep your business, which I do see you are already on there. But that's why you also want to start indexing for keywords, because I just looked up electrical services. There's all sorts of different keywords that we can look up and see how you're ranking as well, and be able to utilize keywords into the website to be able to boost you up on other keywords too. Because this is the bread and butter for businesses. You always want to be on the top 3 of this. You want to be on the front page right in front of people's faces. Now, I also would recommend on your Google business profile, when you have one of those, they give you an About Us section, which is 750 words. Make sure all words are filled out and utilized. I would recommend having some keywords in that About Us section as well. You also want to be very responsive to your reviews and your messages. Make sure you also keep posting weekly with branded posts and geolocated photos, and that's going to help with your relevance as well. Now, another important thing to go over here is citations. So a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are in things like, let's say, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. Now, by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, it's going to increase your relevance, and then it's going to help your website as well. Now, I did put in another one of the competitors in the area. I don't know what I just did. Pulled up his website, and he doesn't have quite a bit of content on there, and I also put his analytics in. So he does have a couple keywords, and he also has a backlink as well. So the idea is not just to look at one competitor, but look at different competitors, look at different keywords, check out what their keywords are, and that helps you get ranking as well. Because we want to find buyer intent keywords, people that are looking for electrical work, systems, things like that. Not just their keywords are based off of their business, but we want to find electrical services keywords that people are going to be searching for so they can utilize that into their house. So I did want to just say thank you for letting me take the time to record this video for you. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you ever have any other information, I will attach my info along with it, any You can always text me, call me, Facebook me. But thank you. I just wanted to say I appreciate your time, and if you could give me some feedback, have a great day.